Welcome to the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. A. Let's practice a simple exercise to get you ready for sleep. Now, this is a breathing exercise, so if the breath is a difficult anchor for you, we invite you to try the other meditations in our catalog. So join me right now, inviting you, as you're available, to find your anchor. You can focus on the breath, the feet as they make contact with the floor, your seat as it makes contact with your chair or cushion, or you can focus on your hands or your face. If it's available to you, you can close your eyes or cast a soft gaze. It's your choice. Just hold your anchor in full awareness. Sleep helps everything from brain performance to mood. And deep breathing can stimulate the vagus nerve and activate the parasympathetic nervous system and the relaxation response. This leads to calm and reduced stress. So let's try this breathing exercise for sleep. Inhale slowly. Notice the action of the breath on the body. And when you've filled your lungs, just hold. Wait for your body's signals to exhale. Now you don't have to wait on me because we are all different. When your body signals you to exhale, exhale slowly and notice your chest falling as the air goes out. And at the end of the exhale, hold it here until your body signals another inhale. It's your body, your choice. Just follow the signals. So we inhale slowly, filling our lung, holding, noticing. The body will signal you to exhale. Exhale slowly and hold. Continue to inhale and exhale with your body's signals. You might notice that your body waits longer at the end of the exhale. That's okay. Relax and listen to your body. If any distracting thoughts pop into your head while you're breathing, just notice them. Let them go. Bring your attention back to your breath. We're filling our lungs. We're listening to our body's signals. And then we empty our lungs and listen. No striving, just noticing. This meditation is coming to an end. When you're ready, you can open your eyes. Notice the sensations throughout the body and just sit with them for a moment. You can repeat this exercise as many times as you like to bring relaxation. Thank you for joining us here at the Mindful Age. I'm Dr. A, wishing you peace, love, and happiness.